I recently came across this channel and all these animations. At first glance, it looks like something only a professional motion designer could make, but that's not the case. In reality, they're all created with an AI motion graphic generator that can create animations like this using only a simple prompt. If we look at this YouTube channel called Real Life Lore, this channel has used map animations like this to grow their channel to over 7 million subscribers. I only added a simple prompt to this tool, and I was able to create this motion graphic that is close to what these channels are making. Creating these animations yourself with different tools like After Effects can take hours of work, or set you back hundreds of dollars if you outsource it to a freelancer. So, if you're looking for a faster, easier, and more affordable way to create motion graphics, you're gonna have to watch this video. To do all of this, we're going to use Hera, which is one of the first AI tools that can actually replace After Effects. And I'm about to show you how you can recreate some of this channel's most popular animations with only a few minutes of work. So, there are two different ways you can create motion graphics with Hera. Either you can create it from scratch, only using a prompt describing what you want the animation to look like, or you can use one of their pre-made templates that you can customize however you like. Right now, I'll show you how to recreate this animation from this video that got over 1 million views. As you can see, it's an animation zooming in on Copenhagen and Malmo, with a line in the middle connecting them. The good thing is that we can recreate this one pretty easily without a template and only using a prompt. The way it works is that you need to add a prompt here in the prompt section, and Hera will turn it into a motion graphic. And the most important thing when creating animations from scratch and not using a pre-made template is to be very specific and describe in detail what you want to create. In the animation, we wanted to zoom in on Copenhagen and Malmo text boxes with the name of each city and a neon line drawn between them. So to create this animation, I wrote a prompt saying, create a map animation zooming in on Copenhagen, Denmark, and Malmo, Sweden. Add a text box above both cities with their names. Add a neon highlight connecting the two countries together. If writing prompts isn't your strong suit, don't worry. Just tap the Enhance Prompt button. It'll automatically refine your text into a polished, professional-style description. Still, take a moment to read it afterward to be sure it captures exactly what you want to create. Once you're happy with it, hit Generate. The tool will produce an animation that's already very close to what we're aiming for. It focuses on the right locations and includes proper text boxes. However, a few small adjustments will still be needed to perfect it. First, we need to edit the map style. This part is very easy to do. All you have to do is click on the button that says Map Style and change it to Satellite, and you'll get the same style as Real Life Lore is using in their animations. The second thing we need to change is the neon line that's currently placed randomly in the middle and not connecting these two cities together. You can make any changes you want by entering a prompt describing what you want it to do. So let's write something like, make a neon line go from Copenhagen to Malmo. Now hit Generate. In just a few seconds, the tool generated an animation nearly identical to the original, complete with smooth zooms into both cities, precise text boxes, and a glowing line connecting them. Doing this manually in After Effects would have taken hours of manual keyframing. We just did it in a few minutes with a simple prompt, saving us time and hundreds of dollars if we were to outsource it to a freelancer. If you want to try Hera and start creating animations like this yourself, the link is right there in the description. Jump in and see how powerful it is. But if you want to go beyond just using a tool, if you actually want to win in YouTube automation, then check out the first link. That's where you'll get my full blueprint and join my private community of creators who are already growing, earning, and helping each other every day. Use the tools I have created only for people who take this seriously to automate your workflow. And hey, if you're still watching right now, you're already in the top 1%. Most people quit. You didn't. So drop the word lucky in the comments, so I'll know you're one of the rare ones who actually found this video and is ready to take action. Anyway, this is just scratching the surface of what this tool can do. Let's push it further and try recreating a more advanced animation. I came across an awesome motion graphic from one of this channel's recent videos. It highlights 3 US states with a clean infographic animation that displays their population numbers. Believe it or not, you can actually recreate this animation pretty easily if you're just using a good prompt. This time, instead of creating it from scratch, I'm going to use one of their pre-made templates. From the menu on the top left, open the Templates section, Map Animations. They have this one template called Map with Statistic Overlay, which is a map animation template with an infographic to the side. I want to use this, so I'll just click on Use this template. All we have to do now is customize it. We want to create an animation zooming in on the United States, highlighting these 3 states. And then we also going to add an infographic animation showing the population numbers in each state. To create this animation, I'll enter a prompt saying, create an animation zooming in on North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia in the United States. Highlight the border of each of the 3 states with a white neon highlight. Add an infographic to the left side of the screen showing the population in each of the 3 states. Again, click on the Enhance Prompt button and it will add some extra details that will help you get a better result. After generating the prompt, it created this animation that looks very similar to the one we are really creating, if not even better. As you can see, it starts zooming in on the United States, then highlights the 3 states, and most importantly adds this really cool infographic animation with the population numbers in each state. If you've ever tried creating an animation like this manually, you know that it can be a real headache. It's amazing what this tool can do and how easily you can create these animations that are going viral. That's why being able to create it this easily is a game changer if you're creating documentary-style videos like real-life lore, where you need multiple of these animations in every video. But what if I told you there's an even easier way to create these animations where you don't even need to use a prompt? Let's say that while scrolling YouTube, you randomly see a video and you see an animation you want to recreate without using a prompt or a template. In this case, I found this animation showing where conflicts took place in the Thailand-Cambodia border conflict. The first thing you want to do is click on the share button on YouTube and copy the video link. Then go back to Hera and click on the video icon inside the prompt box. This feature is called Guide Her, and it lets you enter a link and a timestamp to a YouTube video. This guides Hera to know better of what kind of animation you are looking to create. Hera will then automatically recreate that animation. So I'll just paste in the video link and enter the timestamps to the animation, which is around 5 seconds into the video. Now, before generating it, it's very important you enter a prompt saying, recreate this as detailed as possible, so Hera understands what to do with it. Then hit generate, and boom! In only a few seconds, you'll have that motion graphic recreated. As you can see, the details are super accurate. The text boxes, the red dots, and the border highlight. Here is a side-by-side comparison. We managed to create this motion graphic with just a video link and a timestamp. As you have probably noticed by now, Hera is very user-friendly and can help you save a lot of time and effort. I'm creating with these videos that have great quality and give the right message that I want to give. So again, the link for this tool is on the description if you want to try it out. And let me know in the comments what you think about this tool. If you're a content creator who doesn't have much design experience, this tool makes it possible to recreate the same kinds of animations used by some of the biggest YouTube channels, all in just a few minutes. Let's not waste more time. You need to start your YouTube automation journey. I have shared with you a ton of tutorials that can help you get started, so all you need to do now is take action. The creators inside Creator OS aren't guessing which part of their workflow is breaking. They're seeing what actually moves the needle in real time. What formats convert? What pacing works? What tools scale without burning out? That's the difference between hoping your channel grows and knowing why it does. Creator OS is an ecosystem where creators who actually build share what's working right now. First link in the description or pinned comment if that sounds like you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.